G'day champions, it's time for another non-alcoholic beverage review. So it's Battle of the IPAs today. We've got two. We've got Back Brewing, BACH Brewing from New Zealand. All day IPA, all day non-alcoholic IPA. So these guys make a all day IPA, which is like 3.5%, and it was really good. So I used to like getting that whenever it was my time to drive to a party or a barbecue or something. I'd get that, and that way you could still have 3 or 4 of them and still be sweet throughout the couple of hours that you're at a party. And we've got Brewdog Nanny State hoppy alcohol-free IPA. So let's try these two out. You've got a smaller can there for the all-day IPA. That's only, what, 330ml. Okay, 330ml and 375ml. So, let's give it a pour. And then have our trademark 3 sips. Very clear. No haze to speak of. Yeah, it's hoppy. Not as much as the Tiny But Mighty. That's pretty good. Not a great mouthfeel. It's pretty thin. Not a lot of body to it, but pretty good. It's got sort of a malty aftertaste, which is a bit weird for an IPA. But I'm just getting over a cold too, so my taste buds probably can't really be trusted that much. So 3 sips. That's not bad. I could do that. I'll give that a... I think it's only a 6.5 out of 10, though. Maybe a 6.5. Let's see how the Brewdog goes. Bit of a deeper colour in this one. When you've got a sort of dark colour to an IPA, it's usually a warning that it's a bit of a formidable beer. Yeah, it's almost like an amber, this one. Not a lot happening on the nose as much as the last one. Oh, that's very different. That's it's almost like a honey beer. It's not really that sweet. Yeah, it's got less than 0.4 of a gram of sugar per can. But yeah, it's familiar. I think there was a beer called Bee's Knees, which tasted a bit like that. I don't know why they're calling it an IPA. It's nothing like an IPA. It's still pretty good. I think they're both 6s though. Not setting the world on fire, but you know, pretty decent. So we're on the home stretch. Chuck $10 in the hat, would you, champions? We're up almost, what, 23 something. I'll put the amount that we're up to in the description below and the link. So if you want to chuck us $10, chuck us $10, $20, $30, $5,000, $500,000, whatever you can spare. And I'll see you tomorrow with the next one, and then the grand finale after that, which I've gone a little bit further out of my way to make a video for. So hope you enjoy it. This is all for your entertainment. So catch you then, champions.